Get an elevated look with lots of eye-catching detail in these shoes by Chinese Laundry. You'll love the fact that this shoe has 2 straps to lock you into place, with these pearlescent embellishments giving you a lot of style. You'll find this shoe is easy to slip into as it has an open back construction, and love the flare that you'll get from this pointed open toe. Inside rests a soft lining gently atop your feet, while the insole is very well cushioned to give you some all-day comfort. You'll love the on-trend look of this 3-inch block heel, elevating you and your style. The outsole is very well textured at the heel cap and by the toes to give you added grip as you walk along. I'd pair these with a flowy sundress and lots of pearlescent accessories to really make these subtle details pop.